subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Good morning friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Sir Abdul Sattar Khan 4.1 History of Novel 12th English Literary Genre Brainstorming Activities. Let's begin. Match the columns. Murasaki Shikubu novella Don Quixote Raj Mohan's wife. इसके आंसर्स है मुरासाकी शिकुबू टेल ऑफ जिंजी नोवेला न्यू डॉन क्विक्सोट सर्वेंटेस राजमोहन्स वाइफ बंकिम चंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय. Pick out the odd element from the group. Arun Joshi, Vikram Seth, Graham Greene, Kiran Nagarkar. Place, period, theme, climate, lifestyle. Theme, plot, character, novella. तो पहले का आंसर है ग्राहम ग्रीन. ग्राहम ग्रीन वॉज एन इंग्लिश नॉवेलिस्ट. द अदर्स आर इंडियन राइटर्स. दूसरे का आंसर है थीम. द अदर्स आर एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ द सेटिंग्स. तीसरा है नोवेला. नोवेला इज ए नॉवेल. द अदर्स आर द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ अ नॉवेल. Complete the following statements. The two types of conflicts that the plot may have are the word Picaxe is originated from the epistolary novel, presents the narrative through. In the 18th century, middle class could get the time for reading and discussing the novels because first का आंसर है internal inside the mind of the character or external with other characters or entities. Second का आंसर है Picaxe is originated from the Spanish word picaro, which means a rose. Third का आंसर है the epistolary novel presents the narrative through a series of correspondence or other documents like letters or diary entries. Fourth है in the 18th century the middle class could get the time for reading and discussing the novels because the spread of machines helped them in their work and could provide them with some spare time. Short note देखेंगे. Write short notes on style of the novel, stream of consciousness novel, novella, Indian tradition of novels. First का आंसर है Style of the novel, the language and the techniques used by the author for the narration of the course of events is known as the style. An author can use extensive vocabulary and difficult phrases, or he may be brief and could write only to the point, or he may mix both according to the requirement of his story. He may use linguistic devices like figures of speech to make the narrative effective. All these factors decide the texture of the narration and create an impact on the readers. Second, a stream of consciousness novel. The phrase stream of consciousness means the flow of thoughts in the minds of the characters. This phrase was coined by William James in his treatise Principles of Psychology 1890. In such a novel, incidents in the plot are in the sequence of their occurrences. The novelist narrates them just as they occur in the minds of the characters. Sometimes they do not make sense, but they truthfully represent the thoughts without any censoring or editing. Novella, the word novella, which means new, is originated from the Italian word novel. A novella is a type of prose fiction which is shorter than a full-length novel and longer than short stories. It is a well-structured yet short narrative, often satiric or realistic in tone. Novella usually focuses on one incident or issue with one or two main characters and takes place at a single location. Given below are some of the famous novellas in English. The Heart of Darkness by Joseph Conrad, The Turn of the Screw by Henry James, Billy Bird by Herman Melville, Death in Venice by Thomas Mann. Indian tradition of novels. Indians have also played a major role in the writing of English novels. Raj Mohan's Wife by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay was the first novel in English written by an Indian. The period after that is marked by a few more novels written by Indian writers. These novels were based on either nationalistic virtues or social issues. Mulk Raj Anand, R.K. Narayan, and Raja Rao were the major trio who prevailed in the period after that. Novelists like Anita Desai, Nayantara Sahgal, Arun Joshi, and Manohar Malgaonkar changed the current of Indian English novel through their works. Amitav Ghosh, Vikram Seth, and Upamanyu Chatterjee improved upon the Indian novel in English by adding new features to it. In recent years, Indian novelists like Salman Rushdie, Arvind Adiga, Arundhati Roy, Kiran Desai, and Kiran Nagarkar have come into the limelight. The tradition of the Indian English novel has undergone a vital change since its birth and has undoubtedly a very bright future.